This tutorial will show you how to change your menu, either adding items, removing items, reordering items, or adding submenus. To find your menu, click on the top level folder in the work area of your school or office and go to View Menu. You should only have one menu in your folder. However, if you have more than one, look at the last modified date and that will give you an indication of which menu is live. Often the schools will be named PB_school name, and offices and other schools might be named home. Click on the title of your menu, and what you should see are the items that are on your menu. There are a couple different kinds of items. This one that looks like a little hierarchy tree is actually a submenu that would be a drop-down on a school site. Or it could be a PDF here, which is a little PDF symbol, which is a link. The ones with the little greater than less than signs, that is a web page. And you might see Excel or Word documents too. But these are the main items that will be on a website menu. So if you want to add an item, we're going to click on Add Items. You will choose an item from this next menu, which would be a content item, is either a web page or a document you've added into your work area folder. A library asset would be a file that you uploaded to your library. An external hyperlink would be anything outside of www.1.pgcps.org, which could be links to Google sites, Library of Congress, government sites, any outside of pgcps.org website. And then a submenu, which we'll get to in a little bit. So I would just select content item and then next. You will see a list of your folders in your school or office website, plus other items that are in your top level folder. All you need to do is put a check mark next to the ones that you want to add to your menu, and then click Add. That adds them to the bottom of your menu. If you want to remove items from your menu that are duplicative or old, click on the circle with a white line that says Remove Items. Now you can remove items from the menu and just put a check mark next to them and click Remove. And then OK. Now you can reorder the menu also by clicking on the double arrows, which is the third icon over from the left. You will select the item you want to move by highlighting it with your cursor, and then click the single arrows up and down to move the item up and down the menu, and then click Update. Now, for those of you who would like to put a submenu on your site, which is essentially a drop-down across the top of the website if you're a school, or on the sidebar if you're an office, you click Add Items. But this time you'll click Submenu and then click Next. You'll find a title bar. Name that whatever you want the drop-down to be. Then click on the link where under URL link, click on that link and select a page where that top level menu will go to. So if someone clicked on the title of it, it would actually go to one of these pages. And then click Save. And now you'll be inside your drop-down menu, or your submenu. Now you can add items to your submenu, so when people roll over or click on it, it will drop down. And again, it's the same thing we did before. Content items. We'll add a few content items on here, and then click Add. And that's all there is to it. If you want to get rid of this menu, this submenu, you would click the X to delete the entire submenu. Only do that if you're absolutely certain you want to delete the menu. If you do that from your top level menu, you would delete the entire menu. So if you were on your top level menu and you click this X, you will be deleting the menu off your website. If that happens, you need to give us a call or email us at websupport@pgcps.org. And that's all there is to it.